Unit 8 Assessment. First, type your first and last name in the box here. Now you will select your cycle number. Number 1, find the area of the shaded region. So this outer border, finding the area of, like that white part is like a hole in the middle. Your choices are 56 millimeters squared, 15 millimeters squared, or 41 millimeters squared. Number 2, the base of a parallelogram is 13 yards, and the height is 10 yards. What is the area? 130 yards squared, 23 yards squared, or 65 yards squared. Number 3, what is the area of the trapezoid? What's highlighted in yellow to the right is what the area of a trapezoid formula is. You're going to plug in what you know and solve. Your choices are 160 inches squared, 256 inches squared, or 128 inches squared. Number 4, find the volume of the prism. What's highlighted in yellow is the formula to solve for volume. Your choices are 7.5 meters cubed, 15 meters cubed, or 35 meters cubed. Number 5, what is the area of the trapezoid? What's highlighted in yellow is the area to solve for a trapezoid. Plug in the information that you know and solve. Your choices are 60 centimeters squared, 96 centimeters squared, or 48 centimeters squared. Number 6, what is the area of the triangle? What's highlighted in yellow is the area for how to solve it for a triangle. You're going to plug in what you know to solve. Your choices are 80 feet squared, 40 feet squared, or 21 feet squared. Number 7, what is the area of the parallelogram? What's highlighted in yellow is the formula for how to solve for a parallelogram. Your choices are 195 inches squared, 97.5 inches squared, or 45 inches squared. Number 8, the sandbox in your backyard is in the shape of a triangle. You need to find the area in order to fill the sandbox with sand. The base of the triangular sandbox is 10 feet, and the height is 16 feet. What is the area of the sandbox? What's highlighted in yellow is the area formula to solve for a triangle. Your choices are 160 feet squared, 80 feet squared, or 60 feet squared. Number 9, what is the correct formula to find the area of the trapezoid below? So look at the shape here, what is labeled, and plug that into the area of a trapezoid. And look at your responses to see what is the correct answer. And number 10, what is the area of the triangle below? What's highlighted in yellow is the formula for area of a triangle. Your choices are 24 units squared, 20 units squared, or 30 units squared.